Joint attention is a crucial step in language development that helps children pick up words from others in their environment. It's a foundational skill for both communication and social interaction. Joint attention typically emerges around 9 months and is well established by 18 months. Most children learn to establish joint attention naturally by watching others around them and through their own interactions. In the simplest terms, joint attention, sometimes referred to as shared attention, is when two people pay attention to the same thing at the same time. Joint attention between communication partners is gained through gestures, vocalizations, and words. It's important to note that joint attention and turn-taking skills are built during play and incorporate real items and activities with people. Limiting your young child's screen time will help support increasing these developmental play skills. If you and your child are having difficulty with sharing attention on items and people, there are several different activities to improve that attention. While playing or engaging with your child, we want to find ways to encourage them to look at us in order to establish joint attention. They look at our eyes, watch us look towards an object, and then they follow our eye gaze to that object. One thing to try is holding up objects that they're interested in near your face. It might sound silly, but we want to try to get them to shift their attention to us more than the object itself, so be expressive. You can make a noise or say their name to gain their attention. Once they look, slowly move the object away from your face, provide the label for the object, monster, and then bring it back towards your face. Similar to that last strategy, we can use pointing. Point to the object you want your child to pay attention to and label it, monster. You can even place your hand over your child's and direct their attention and eye gaze towards the object. Gently place their hand on the object, then label the object, make eye contact with your child, and look back at the monster. Another strategy is to engage your child in what they're already interested in or excited about. Sometimes it might feel challenging to get your child to engage with something that you want them to, but we may have more success if we meet them where they are. If your child is super interested in the wheels on their airplane toy, bring your face near the airplane or take a turn flying the plane before handing it back. Make sure to model airplane sounds or other language. The airplane is flying. Joint attention is a building block for your child's social communication skills. It's important to remember that your child's attention will be increased when focusing on items, activities, and people that they enjoy. For some populations, joint attention may not be so easy. For children on the autism spectrum, establishing joint attention can be tricky because social communication is impaired. Specifically, using joint attention to form a social reference might be lacking, but we can help support them with the use of some of these strategies.